In this video, we will see model analysis of an aeroplane wing. We are given an aeroplane wing which is made up of low density polyethylene with a Young's modulus of 38 into 10 power 3 pounds per inch. The Poisson ratio is 0.3 and the density is 8.3 into 10 power minus 5 pound for second square per inch power 4. They have not considered an SI unit, so we will use the same units as given in the problem. Now let us go to ANSYS. First we must go to preferences and select structural. Now we must import the aeroplane wing model which is inbuilt in ANSYS. Go to file, read input from. We must go to C, program files, ANSYS, ANSYS student version 19.4, again ANSYS, under data go to models. Here you will find some models. In this we must select wing.inp and give OK. The model will be imported. Next we must go to preprocessor. Under preprocessor, first go to material properties, select material models, and under structural, linear, elastic and isotropic, enter the Young's modulus value as 38 into 10 power 3, so E3. Poisson ratio we can give it as 0.3. Now give OK. Next select density and give the density value as 8.3 E minus 5. Now give OK and exit. Next we must go to element type, add, edit or delete, add. First go to solid and select quad 4 node and give apply. Next select brick 8 node and give OK. Now close this. Now we must go to meshing. Under meshing, first go to size control, manual size, select areas and all areas. The element edge length we can give it as 0.25 and give OK. Now go to mesh, areas, free, give pick all and you can close this warning. The meshing will be done. Next we must go to modeling. Under modeling, go to operate, extrude, element extrude options, change the element type number to 2 and enter the number of element divisions as 10. Now give OK. Now we can go to areas along XYZ offset, give pick all and give the offset for extrusions as 0, 0 and 10. That means plane wing will be extruded in the Z direction for 10 inches. Next we must go to select entities, select elements by attributes, select element type number and in minimum, maximum and include, select 1 and give and select and give apply. Next we must select nodes by location and select Z coordinates. We must select all the nodes at Z coordinate value 0. That means one side of the wing. Select from full and give apply. Now give OK. Next we must fix all the degrees of freedom about Z is equal to 0. So we have selected only the nodes at Z equal to 0. So we can go to loads, define loads, apply structural displacement on nodes. If you give pick all, now as we have selected only the nodes along Z equal to 0 plane, it will pick only the nodes at that plane. Give pick all and select all degrees of freedom and give the value as 0. Now give OK. Next we must go to utility menu, which is here. Go to select and select entities. Under nodes by number or picking, give select all and give OK. Now all the nodes will be selected. Next, we must go to solution. Go to analysis type, new analysis, select model and give OK. Next, we must go to analysis options. Number of modes to extract 5. Number of modes to expand, we must give it as 5 and give OK and give OK. Now the analysis options are set. Now we can go to solve, current ls, give OK. Warnings will be shown, that is not a problem, give yes. Once the solution is done, we can go to post processing. Go to general post proc, go to result summary. You will find the frequencies for all the 5 sets. These are the results. Now we can animate this. For that, we must go to read results, select first set. Now if you go to plot controls, animate, mode shape and select deformed shape and give OK. You can stop this, and for a clearer view, select isometric view. Now close this, go to isometric view and then go to plot controls, animate, mode shape, increase the number of frames to create as 50. Now if you select OK, the animation we can see it here. If you decrease the delay, the animation will be faster. Like this we can give for each set. Go to next set, under plot controls, animate, mode shape. Now if you give OK and reduce the delay, you can see the next set of animations. Like this we can see for 5 sets. Thank you for watching the video. We will see other exercises in the upcoming videos.